But there are two key habits that we can practice that, if we practice them consistently, will really help set us up on a path towards reproducible and explainable production-ready machine learning models. One is keeping track of all experimental metadata. And that could be a number of different artifacts that you generate through that process: code, metrics, hyperparameters, data sets, samples, predictions, visualizations, models, etc. These are all things that we need to keep track of to have that lineage from ideation to production. Second is logging everything to a central repository in a systematized way so that we can compare analyses. So keeping track of experimental metadata is necessary for a consistent and repeatable experiment process. They're critical steps, these two, that when you adopt them, when you practice them, when you get into the habit of doing these, it's going to enable data scientists, machine learning practitioners, and just data science teams as a whole to achieve more consistency as part of their process. And if you keep that at the forefront of your mind when you're working, rather than an afterthought, you'll find that it'll be easier to reproduce the work you're doing and explain it and track changes.